and cooking, so I figured I'd cook with you. I have literally nothing in my refrigerator because I'm back in Miami and I didn't go grocery shopping yet. So, and I've also been in my house for literally 2 days straight so far. I think this is done. I like al dente. Anyway, yeah, so I've been in my apartment for 2 days, haven't left it, doing emails, getting these calendars sorted, getting all that stuff done. And I'm posting on YouTube again, guys. Look at my hair. I haven't even done my hair. This is like 2 days old hair. I look crazy. It's alright though. And I don't have pasta sauce, and all I have in my fridge is pasta, so... Oops. Facial. Can't see anything. I can't see a thing. Wait, I'm blind. Alright. So actually these glasses are so I can not be affected by the blue light from my computer screen, because I've just been staring at my computer screen for the past 2 days. Doing emails and stuff. Getting Cerny all situated for year 2020. And you know, before the holidays, literally everybody stops working. And it's the worst. I hate it. I mean, holidays are great. Yeah, vacation with family, but I never stop working. So there's that. I'm reading your comments. Alright. So, since I have nothing in my kitchen, this is what I'm cooking. I'm MacGyvering a meal. I hope I can cook that long enough. Ah! Sorry! Forgot you were there. Oh, and I'm attached to the wall, you see, because my phone's about to die. So this is my Miami apartment. It's super, super cute. I love my decorations. I'm still getting wall art and all that stuff. And you guys need to see all the details of the decorations here. It's so cozy. And I made it so cozy because this is like my writing area. I'm writing a book this year too, so literally locking myself away. And look at this view. Miami. I wonder if I can, all right, I'm gonna try taking it off the charger. So, and that's the calendar over there. I'm gonna frame it and hang it in the bathroom. I have art coming there. That's from a fan. I have fan art down there too. That's another room, another bedroom over down there. But yeah. All right, you're off the charger. If it dies, I'm sorry, but look at the sunsets in Florida. And then, oh. Yes. And it wraps around so beautiful. And I just put some Christmas lights up too. It's so cozy. Like, my family loves coming and visiting me in Miami. They're all in Palm Beach and this candle smells so good. And that's because it's like the perfect for getting work done. And that's what I'm gonna do, is get work done. Okay, so I got the pasta, and I literally, this is all I have, is this, and beans, and I have lemons and banana, but that banana's my dessert, because I have nothing in here. And then I have seasoning and truffle oil. So not the healthiest, but I need food because I've been working all day, and I just like looked up and I'm like, I'm hungry. So now I'm making food. My hair is like, this is hilarious. You know, just live, showing the world. But hey, this is reality and you guys are a part of it. Okay, so I can't really do much because you guys are connected to the wall. Oh, I can get my Mophie. I'm gonna get my Mophie. BRB. Hold on. Don't fall. Alright. One sec. Grab the Mophie. I should really start putting... Oh no, you fell. Sorry. Sorry about that. I really should start putting some makeup on for you guys, or at least get some good lighting. Alright. so let me, it's falling. You guys fell, I know, I'm sorry. All right, now you're charging on the Mophie. So yeah, got the pasta. Now, I need to make this taste good somehow. So this is what I'm gonna do. Again, not the healthiest stuff, but we're working with things that we already have in our kitchen because we've been traveling for 2 months. Beans, black beans. Oh, I didn't wash these all the way. I hate when the beans aren't rinsed fully. Washing the beans. BRB. All right, so that should be good. More beans, protein, vegan protein. Hello? Some beans are stuck, but I don't need all the beans anyway. All right. Next, we're gonna do some, my fancy truffle oil, because don't mind if we do. Just a little bit. And then stir that up, get that mix in. I love truffle so much. All right, so we got oil, we got spaghetti, and we got beans. Needs more. So now I'm gonna dump out the water in that. Vegan feta cheese. Yeah, this stuff exists and it tastes incredibly, it tastes just like feta cheese. So don't knock it till you try it. You guys will try this and you'll be like, oh my gosh, Amanda just introduced me to the best thing ever. And I did. They have it at like Whole Foods and stuff. All right. And you can tell I love it because my sister came down to my apartment when I wasn't here and she put it in my fridge for me for when I got home. All right, so this is some sort of concoction. I never tried melting the feta cheese before though. I think I'm gonna do that. What am I making? For those of you who are new, I am making pasta out of things that are in my fridge because I have nothing in my fridge. Can I come over for dinner? You got alcohol? Sure. All right, now I'm gonna cook this. But only red wine. Actually, I don't even want drinks. I just want food. I'm so hungry. I need more water. That's what I need. But I got my filtered water, you know. So I'm heating this up again. Show you guys what I'm doing over here. Flip that camera. There it is. All right, so I have that in there. I'm heating that up. I'm gonna put some balsamic too because I feel like balsamic and feta sound amazing. Just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm also gonna put, just to keep that pasta vibe going, I'm gonna put some seasoning on there. Italian seasoning. I feel like red pepper will be good. Put some, haven't used that before. Oh shit, I only have one hand. All right, flip. Back to me. Open this. I hate these caps on these things. Oh, that came off easy. Just kidding. Sprinkle some red pepper in there. Oh yes, I don't even need that cap. I'm gonna do some onion powder because I don't have onions at home. I have nothing. And we're gonna make this so flavorful. Black pepper, when it's done, I'm gonna put a little bit of nutritional yeast because why not? And let's just hope this tastes good. I am known for like making really good food out of nothing, so that is my specialty. Ooh, this feta is melting nicely, you guys. It's looking good. Hi, hello. What kind of food am I making? I'm making my pasta out of things in my fridge. Yeah, for myself. pasta for one. Don't mind if I do. So at least I got... I need something else. What else should I put in it? I don't really have much here. You can see my fridge. It's basically empty. Empty. This is what I have. A coconut. Ooh. I'm so hungry. I have hummus in here. I know it looks like New York. No, I'm in Miami. I'm in Miami. This is my home in Miami. It looks like I lived here forever because when I move in, oh my gosh, look at the sunset. You guys, wait. Hold on. Hold on. This is smelling good, by the way. Yeah. There we go. Soak it up. Alright. Only for spoon. Alright. Look at this sunset now. This is what I see every day, you guys, here. You know what's so nice? I'm eating coconut now. Found it in my fridge. So we got this cooking. What else can I do to it? I have hummus. I might add that actually. And I always gotta set the vibe for myself. I put relaxing music on. Make sure all this pasta gets some of that filled up because it's just sad if it doesn't. Oh my god. It's actually really, 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 really good. That's enough. Now it's time for me to eat it. Oh, look how cute my bowls are. So I always wanted to do just mismatching stuff in my apartment. And in my LA home, I can't do that because it's super modern. But in this cute little apartment, I can do all the things I want to do. Oh wait, I'm not eating all that. That's in case I get hungry later while I'm still working. I remember it's 6 a.m. and I'm like, why am I still up? So yeah. I love you guys too. I'm going to eat this. And make sure you turn on my notifications for my YouTube channel. I mean, come on. And look at my cute mugs. Tee. Perfect for the holidays. Alright, again, love you. Jesus, lighting. There. Okay, Cerny out. I'll see you guys later. I haven't had time to make content, so if you're from my live stream, I'm gonna post a selfie of me looking like this in my mirror. Because that's all I have time for. I'm gonna eat this, do the selfie, and then review contracts, and then yeah, hopefully I'll make it up to Palm Beach tonight. Most likely not, so tomorrow morning for Thanksgiving, and hopefully I don't have to do any of the cooking. I'll just arrive right on time for Thanksgiving dinner. All you guys have a beautiful Thanksgiving. Love you very, very, very much forever. And I'll talk to you on my next live stream. And remember, comment on my stuff, because I read all your comments on my stuff. Live streams is hard, but on my actual stuff on my page, I read it. All right, love you. Mwah. Besos.